I am Audrey. Welcome to our show Audrey's Kitchen. In this program, we are going to show you how to make Assamese dishes. In this process, today I am going to show you how to make Assamese chicken curry. And the ingredients are chicken, red onion, potatoes, mustard oil, cumin powder, salt, turmeric powder, ginger, garlic, and chilies. Before we start cooking, we will slice the onions. And cut the potatoes in chunks. Let us pound the ginger garlic paste in a mortar. Now we'll heat up the pan and pour some mustard oil. Mustard oil is an important ingredient for Assamese cuisine. Let's fry the potatoes till they become little light brown. Now we will fry the onions till they become soft. The onion seems to be little brown in color. And finally we are going to fry the chicken. Add the ginger garlic paste. Stir for a while. Add some salt. It's up to you how much you want to put. Add some turmeric powder and some cumin powder. Fry the chicken till the oil comes out. After that, add some water. Stir it well. Add the fried potatoes. Cover it for 10 minutes. Wow! It's looking delicious. Potatoes are cooked. Our chicken curry is ready. Now we can garnish with red chilies or chopped cilantros. So finally, this is your Assamese chicken curry. You can enjoy with steamed rice, roti or bread. Thank you for watching the video.